Brace yourself for an unforgettable journey with Parham Student Village, the ultimate destination for students in Canterbury. Located on Parham Road, the property offers a wide range of ensuite, non-ensuite, and studio flats to choose from. Each room in Parham Student Village is equipped with modern furnishings and cozy decor and comes complete with a comfortable bed, desk area, and lots of storage space. Want to try that latest recipe you just saw on the gram? Cook at your convenience in communal kitchens with high-end appliances to make your work easier. On weekends, connect with like-minded individuals in the inviting communal lounge while watching your favorite TV shows, or simply unwind and bask in the natural beauty around you at the beautiful outdoor courtyard while embracing the Canterbury breeze. Plus, Parham Student Village is just a quick drive away from major universities like the University of Kent and Canterbury College University, so you'll never be late for class. And on the weekends, head to Canterbury Tales, offering real ales, cocktails, and music with mouth-watering comfort food. The countdown to the most exciting days of your life has begun. Claim your place at Parham Student Village with amberstudent.com and experience student living like never before.